I don't have a passion for olive oil. I have a passion for running a successful business. No, I do love olive oil, and it came from the Bible. When I saw how many times it was in the Bible, I just had to find out about it. I'm a 80s kid, so I like classic rock, Journey. Of course, I love jazz. So anytime I hear some Dave Brubeck, I'm humming along or tapping my foot. But yeah, I'm an old school guy. I secretly enjoy filling the bottles. It's just rewarding to me to stand there in front of the foosties and watch that product flow. We don't own any pets, they own us. And yes, we have 3 full-time cats who live with us upstairs. That's Sadie, Jack, and Mia. And then we recently have 4 ferals that we're foster homing in our home, and that's Sophie, Daisy, Emma, and Licorice. Oh, by far, my favorite product is the basil extra virgin olive oil. I love it on baked potatoes, wonderful over rice, especially jasmine rice. I'll put it over pasta, vegetables. Not much I won't put it on really, except yogurt.